Hello and welcome back everyone to another episode of Top Doc Interviews. My name is Dr. Derek Barron and I want to thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're talking about a very important topic, and that is how to find a great dentist. We are very fortunate to have Dr. Julie Romanelli from Naperville, Illinois, and her practice is Maple Park Dental Care. Dr. Romanelli, thank you so much for taking time out of your day today. Would you please tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure, Derek. Thanks very much for having me. My name is Dr. Julie Romanelli, and I have a practice in Naperville. It's called Maple Park Dental Care. I've been in practice for almost 20 years, and it's unique that I knew in grade school that I wanted to be a dentist. So I love what I do. I definitely made the right choice, and I have such a great time treating all my patients here at Maple Park Dental.
Well, thanks again, Dr. Julie, for taking the time out. And I got to tell you, I interview a lot of doctors, and no one has ever said that in elementary school they knew they wanted to be a dentist. So when people are sitting in your office, I know they're in the right place.
Yeah.
Well, perfect. So the really big question everyone has these days is, how do you find a good dentist, especially online? So as a leading expert in the field of dentistry, could you maybe give us 2 or 3 tips on the best way to find a dentist online?
Sure, Derek. That's a great question. Now, the best sources online are to try and find the website. Our website is yournapervillefamilydentist.com. We also have a wonderful Facebook page which has different events and activities going on, and that's Maple Park Dental Care on Facebook. We also have a lot of patients review and post reviews on Google, Yelp, and I think City Search is another one, and that will give a wealth of knowledge for any prospective patient looking to see what our patients think about us.
Well, you know, Dr. Julie, that's a great response. And the reason that is because you're telling people to go where others have already reviewed you. So they have the ability of a patient that's experienced you to know what it's like from their perspective. And they can probably learn by, you probably have testimonials and reviews on your website as well. So they get to know about the quality of service in your office. It's very easy for your staff to actually say how good you are and for you to brag about yourself because you are a great dentist, but it's much better when you've got patients that are actually reviewing you online. So I appreciate you telling the viewers, you know, that's a great place for them to go and look for you.
Absolutely.
Okay, so now here's another great question. It's if someone was looking for a dentist in Naperville and they came into your office, what type of experience could they expect to receive?
Our patients experience a warm, welcoming, homey experience. They love the reception area, and our staff is great. They make them feel so comfortable. They address every patient's apprehensions and really get a feel for what their concerns are and what their issues are. Each patient also has us work with them to educate them, and we really bring them in as a team member to help them take care of their teeth as well as having us do it. Our patients really end up feeling like they're getting treated like they're at home.
Dr. Romanelli, because of your particular expertise, how does your practice differ from others in Naperville?
That's a great question, Derek. Our practice differs in that we have a unique blend of old school and new school dentistry. The old school is more, we try to build relationships with patients and to learn from them what their unique wants are in their dental care. The new school is all the new technology, from digital x-rays to CEREC unit to intraoral cameras and the laser. The nice thing is that we have patients come from other practices who are so happy, and they come here and they are just amazed at the warm, fun, and cozy atmosphere. They end up learning that they can come to the dentist and have a little bit of fun, but yet still have their quality care dentistry completed here.
Well, that's great. One thing that's very interesting that you bring up is that, you know, they are walking into a warm environment. You said that earlier on one of the questions. You've got great staff, you've got great hygienists, and yourself are a great dentist. But they kind of come on as a team member of yours. Isn't that right?
Absolutely.
Dr. Romanelli, I know we talked earlier, and there are some very special things that you do for new patients. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
You're right, Derek. We do. We offer 50% off of Zoom whitening for any patients watching the video out there that want to come in. Zoom whitening, as you know, is an in-office whitening procedure. It takes a little over an hour to get bright white teeth, And if they contact the office, they can either choose to call the phone number on the screen or reach out to our website.
Okay, so Dr. Romanelli, one more time if you don't mind. How can the viewers contact you if they're interested in taking you up on that phenomenal Zoom whitening offer?
There's a couple of ways that they can contact us. They can go online and check out our website at yournapervillefamilydentist.com. They also can contact us directly through the phone at 630-687-9200. And the last resource would be check us out on Facebook, see what kind of activities we have going on.
Okay, well, Dr. Romanelli, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day today. And now for the viewers that are watching us, if you're in Naperville or the surrounding areas and you're looking for a great dentist, make sure to look up Dr. Julie Romanelli and Maple Park Dental Care. And I want to thank you all again for watching, and stay tuned for our next episode when we'll bring you more top healthy living tips from another top doc.
Thank you very much, Derek, for having me. I can't wait to see all the new patients that watch my video. Look forward to seeing you guys.